Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to mount the battery in a bGeigie Nano, because a lot of people seem to do it incorrectly, and it's important. So first, put 2 strips of double back tape on the battery like this. Peel them off. Then cut down the battery protector till it's just a little bit larger than the battery. Stick it to the tape like this. Then 2 more strips of double back tape right on top of those. Okay. Now if you have a bigger battery, you probably want to just put 4 little squares on each corner, but this is pretty good here. We take off this. Okay, so now we have battery, double back tape, protector, double back tape. Now on the circuit board, you'll see that there's a logo, and the logo is an alignment for the battery. So line up the 2 corners of the battery there, right with the logo there. And by the way, you have to trim all the pins in this area very short, because if they stick up too far, they could poke through the battery if it swells. So trim these all down till they're smooth. You can put your finger over now. Okay, then line up the battery right over the logo like that, and push it onto the circuit board. Then wind the wire around in a loop, and I like to fold the battery wire tightly like this, so that when you wind it around, it winds up staying very close to the board and doesn't stick up where it'll get caught in the seal. And that's how to mount the battery.